deviennent man de même goût tout.
We're back, ladies and gentlemen. Days of 2025. What's up here, Marzuka? So the exact date. This is the start to a new vlog. What's up, people? Hope everybody's having an amazing time today. Just finished editing last week's vlog, or last 2 days vlog, so I'm gonna just keep recording as much as I can, as well as just put out as much content as much as we can. Today's objective is to finish editing any projects I have, as well as I think we're going to Bar Luca later, which is another brunch spot that we're trying to open up with the team. So I'm gonna have a meeting about that, what content we're supposed to get, as well as I have another training at DBC. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me so I can show you guys the ins and outs of Miami, things that we do every day. Also, Heb's leaving back to Boston today. He's going back to the cold, but it's also cold here in Miami, so. Even though we're on the balcony, but it's actually very cold here in Miami. I'm wearing a sweater. I should be wearing a sweater, a jacket, and some pants. But right now it's about like 60 degrees, and I'm just enjoying the time. But we still got boats. We still got the cruises out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's cold today. It's a cold day in Miami. Cold day in Miami. But we about to go head down to Miami Beach later, because that's where Bar Luca is.
Tener un apellido tan común y eso es lo único. Esa es la diferencia que se nota entre tú y yo. Le dije a Visionary que no me hable más de números. O va a seguir subiendo sin tener que ir al estudio. Sin la universidad ya ven que no fue por estúpido. Qué lindo es el dinero. Va a ser memorias que tuvimos.
We live, we here, we gotta eat before we shoot. You guys know, this is one of the spots that we like to go to. Nice little introduction. Yo, Miway never changes. We're always on the phone, but we back at one of our favorite spots, El Barranque. I say Barranque, it doesn't even have an N, but I say El Barranque. Oh wow, El Barranque. I actually just noticed that it says Barranque now. Barranque. Barranque, B-A-J-A. But it's a beautiful day here in Miami. It's actually one of the colder days. I'm wearing a Lululemon jacket. Like what the? I don't know why I had to say Lululemon, you know. But it's Lululemon, you feel me? So it's light, it's portable. Showing the fit.
That's cute.
That's cute. That's cute. Shout out Bel Air. Shout out Bel Air. Come on, man. I'm getting texts all day from clients. I'm getting texts all day from different clients from back home in Boston. So this is my hello. I'm about to go back too, bro. Like I said, I'm excited. We got some stuff moving out there. Don Styles just texted me right now too. He said, I'm almost ready. That's funny. We're here, man. I'm excited. Blessings.
Somewhat? Blessing, yeah.
Blessings.
What you get?
Some steak, eggs, las gandules y tostones. Guys, this is a perfect meal for a shoot.
What you get, some chicken soup, steak and eggs.
Very nice. I just got myself a nice steak, I got some gandules, and so that Coke and fries. We eating. To our shoot right now, just packing up. Had to take the light, so just packing up the fucking light that won't even fit. But we got a tripod. We got a light there, and we got the big light, so we should be all set to go. Let me just finish taking the handy dandy cart. Yeah, it's the cart. But we here, store this, and we all set to go.
Of course I be cutting them ties, cause everyone acts like someone they're not. They made this one too big, now a man gotta move, I'm changing spots, I'm switching house. Said I can't get to her heart, she changing her locks. But I want a girl that don't want me, low key it be turning me on, don't know why. Many questions, I ain't the answer. Don't ask me for peace, just cause you know that I got a girl, I ain't your father. I want a girl with a figure, but to get her you gotta get
like
figures.
a block away. But we just got to Bar Luca. I'm with the team, getting out the little handy dandy. The cart. Yo, help me out, bro.
Yo, put this on a vlog, nigga. Damn, nigga.
Damn.
I forget.
Damn.
Make sure this
hurry
got
up,
color,
hurry up.
Alex. You gotta have color when I talk, nigga.
Yeah, I hope the mic doesn't even catch that. I feel like, oh, I'm stepping in water all over the place. The cakes, not the cakes. We need this. Es la droga, bro. Es la droga.
I don't want my shot, my joke. Face to you, but I don't want this overexposed. I don't want this show overexposed. Tell him out. Tell him good. We're gonna make sure it's
I have the mic, so it's all good. But we good. I think this is the last bit of what we need.
And when we walk, I want a slow motion.
Slow motion. No fucking Sunday, right?
Yeah. I want Island 305.
We need Island 305.
We need Island 305.
Going back to Boston. It's raining here and I'm cold. I don't got no hoodie on, no sweater, but it's all good. You know why Boston is right now. You guys, I'll show you guys. I'll vlog on my phone real quick or the camera, it doesn't matter. But it's gonna be super cold out there. It's freezing right now. It's so cold that the snow that snowed this week is gonna be frozen. Like if I throw it at somebody, you know, like a little snowball, I throw it at somebody, they're getting concussed. Like it's over. That's a case.
So here we just arrived at Bar Luca. And so actually Bar Luca is an outside patio. It's also inside of the hotel. So we're just gonna park there next. But we're here. We're just gonna walk in. We were gonna do outside, but the weather did not permit. So now we're just gonna go inside and film inside. Now we just have everybody chilling. Mo's relaxing. We just finished setting up, putting all the wires together. Very simple stuff here, but
He was waiting for us to finish to introduce us. Lebanese people.
The flea market.
Yeah, I didn't see that. But currently 1:35. It's Saturday, and I'm eating a rice cake with honey. If you guys don't know about the combo, it's a golden combo. But we about to hit DBC. About to meet up with Miwe. Head downstairs, grab my car, head over to DBC. It's actually beautiful out here in Miami. Finally, I've been waiting for a day like this. It's been gloomy. It's been like gloomy, cloudy, rainy all week, and cold. It's still a little cold, but it's still nice out. The sun makes it hotter, which is a lot better. Eating this rice cake, we about to head to the gym. Let's do it. Just finished up a fire workout here at DBC.
Right up. And up. Next door, yeah. So when it gets crowded here, it goes park next door. Yeah, it's always open. It's ours.
What's today's workout? Crazy. Thank you, JR. Like always. Peace out.
Boys.
I haven't picked up the camera in basically the whole day. I've been locked in here in the studio here with Miwe Films side by side with me. Damn. Yeah. Probably can't even see you, huh?
Nah,
Nope.
a little bit.
A little bit. But we've been locked in here editing, and I just wanted to come on here because we're having a quick little discussion about last night's event. Last night we were at Mafio. Shout out Mafio. He is a Dominican, right? He's a Dominican producer here in Miami, based out of Dominican Republic, but he's doing it big. Today is his birthday. Yesterday was a celebration, Mafio birthday bash. Last night we were at Mafio's birthday bash, and we had our shooter friend with us. And I just wanted to, don't even show him that yet. Just don't even show him that yet. Look, guys, this is a public service announcement. You guys gotta be ready for any moment. This is all jokes at the end of the day. I know things don't always go as planned and some things you can't control. But this is just a funny learning experience, what happened with our friends, and we're able to sit there and laugh about it. Yesterday we met two of GOATs in the Hispanic culture, Latin music culture. What was their names?
Emilio and Gloria Estefan.
Emilio and Gloria Estefan. Guys, if you heard Hispanic, ask your moms. You guys definitely know about them, or your parents definitely know about them. Yeah, my hair's probably a mess right now. I'm gonna do it like this. But we were talking with Emilio and Gloria Estefan yesterday, and we asked our friend to take us a picture. And we were so excited because I was excited to show my parents this, all my family members. I was even gonna frame, we were just talking about we should frame that picture until we asked our friend, yo, take a picture of us. Anyway, show him the picture.
Yeah, I'm trying to fix it. Can't see us.
Que maldito flow, man. Yo, we was sick. Sick, and we were like, come on, you can't even ask if we do it because they left right there and then. And as soon as he noticed too late. Man, some moments are just meant to be captured in your head, not on the camera. But no matter what, we had like 8 cameras there, and not one of them were working to take a picture of us. So just remember this when I say that we met Emilio and Gloria Estefa, and we took a picture with them.
What's the chef's name, the girl?
Stephanie.
¿Qué? ¿A dónde vamos? Andrés, no se preocupa. Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre. Guys, I also wanted to previously I stated that we were in a little encounter. This is the encounter. Andres barely speaks English, so he doesn't even know what I'm talking about. Right, Andres? Exactly.
Ok, mi gente, estamos aquí en Wynwood, aquí hablando con el jefe mío de Ponchando. For real. ¿Qué tú haces, Ale? Grabando un vlog. Estamos aquí en Wynwood. En Wynwood con la movie. Terminamos Sauce y Buddha. El brunch de Wynwood.
Andrés, dígame.
Andrés, dile.
Yo tengo hambre. Yeah. Andrés tiene hambre.
Dale.
Tengo hambre. Yes, I was just telling them.
What?
Yo, get off the phone, bro. We vlogging. We making
I
a movie
can't get off the
right
phone.
now.
She want me to tell everybody that I love her.
No, bro, it's okay.
The truth. She said the truth.
What's the truth?
Well, the truth that I love her.
Why are we in the middle of the street like bozos?
Shit,
We in the middle of the
van a
street.
botear eso.
I'm up at that.
Yo, make sure you tag her. Oh, shit.
That's how it is every day here in Miami.
She wants you.
A todos los que hablan español solamente dígale algo para los videos de esa semana. Hoy es domingo.
Hoy es domingo, mañana lunes, inicio de semana, con toda la actitud, con todas las ganas y con toda la emoción de seguir trabajando en esta industria.
Let's do it, Andrés.
Let's do it, let's do it.
So, just walking the streets of Wynwood, currently going to one of our favorite food trucks, the shawarma food trucks. And I think this week was a little bit more productive, which I'm glad about. But I'm looking forward to next week being a lot more productive, a lot more intuitive, a lot more decision making, and a lot more action. Because at the end of the day, like we all know, only action creates change. Shout out Precision Fitness, always creates that. It's always in my head. F this plane for going around, but I'm just here walking, like I said, streets of Wynwood, finishing up this video. We just finished up some Saucy Buddha content. It was their Sunday brunch promo with Miwei, and we're just out here just doing some content. Like you just saw, we had Andres with us. He was taking some pictures, and we got some legends in the building, like always. We're not just in the room with legends. We always with legends. I'm with the legends right here.
What's up?
James's Fairground. Yes, sir.
What's going on, everybody?
But hope everybody has a nice rest of the week. I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Fuck the peace sign, load the chopper, let it rain on you. My only regret was too young for Lisa Bonet. My only regret was too young for Nia Long. Now all I'm left with is hoes from reality shows. Handed a script the bitch probably couldn't read alone. My only regret was too young for Sade Adu. My only regret could never take a Leah home. Now all I'm left with is hoes up in Greystone with the stale face, cause they know it's they song.